Logical programming paradigm. Logical programming is a paradigm where computations arise from proof search in a logic according to a fixed predictable strategy. A logic is a language. It has syntax and semantics. A logic is a language. It has syntax and semantics. More than a language, it has inference rules. Now, syntax. This is the rules about how to form formulas. This is usually the easy part of the logic. Semantics. About the meaning carried by the formulas, mainly in terms of logical consequences. Inference rules. Inference rules describe correct ways to correct ways to derive conclusion. So based on the resolution and inference, we get a conclusion. Logic. A logic program is a set of predicates. Predicates defines relation between their arguments. Logically, a logical program states what holds. Each predicate has a name and 0 or more arguments. The predicate name is an atom. Each argument is an arbitrary logic term. A predicate is defined by collection of classes. A class is either a rule or a fact. The class that constitutes a predicate denotes logical alternatives. If any class is true, then the whole predicate is true. Next, fact. A fact must start with a predicate. The predicate may be followed by one or more arguments which are enclosed by parentheses. The arguments can be atom, numbers, variables, or less. Facts are axioms, relations between terms that are assumed to be true. We have certain examples for that. Rule. Rules are theorems that allow new inference to be made. Describe relationship using other relations. Example, two people are sisters if they are both female and have the same parent. Gives a definition of some relationship given other relationships. Both must be females, both must have same parent. If two people satisfy these rules, then they are sisters. Then queries. A query is a statement starting with a predicate and followed by its arguments, some of which are variables. Similar to goals, the predicate of a valid query must have appeared in at least one fact or rule in the consulted program, and the number of arguments in the query must be the same as that appears in the consulted program. We have an example for that. Next, anatomy of logical programming paradigm. X, male, Adam. It is a fact. Now when you come for the predicate, son of xy will be the male of x and parent of y comma x. So this is here son of xy is the predicate and male and parent becomes the class. And next you can give query to go with. Logical programming paradigm, we have a program to illustrate the above example.